Hello friends, welcome to my English class. So, we were discussing the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar, right? Yes. What is the name of that autobiography? Can you recollect it? Yes. Got it? Right. Playing it my way. We have already discussed in the previous class, haven't we? Yes. Now, I remember I gave you an assignment. What was the assignment? Yes, to prepare the profile of Ramakant Ajrekar. Let's take a look at the hints. Name, year of birth, place of birth, occupation, founder of something. Everything is given in the hint. I hope all of you have prepared the profile. One of your friends has sent me the assignment. Let's go through that profile.
Ramakant Achrekar was born in Maharashtra in 1932. He started playing cricket in 1943. He became a distinguished coach who trained notable cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar, Vinod Kambli, Ajit Agarkar, etc. Moreover, he founded the Kamat Memorial Cricket Club at Shivaji Park. In fact, he was quite instrumental in raising the standard of Indian cricket. His biography, Ramakant Achrekar, Master Blaster's Master, has won critical acclaim from various publications. Achrekar was honored with Dronacharya Award in 1990. He was conferred with Padma Shri, one of the country's highest civilian awards in sports category in 2010. Ramakant Achrekar died on 2nd January 2019.
Okay children, let's analyze the profile. I'll ask you some questions. Okay, please go through the profile and answer them. Okay? Yes. Does the profile have a title? Yes. What's the title? The title is the name of the person. In this profile, the title is the name of the person, and who is the person? Yes, Ramakant Ajrekar. That's the title. What about the opening of the profile? Here the opening sentence of the profile is Ramakant Ajrekar was born in. Can you think of different way of beginning a profile? How can we begin? The renowned coach and cricketer, like that. The famous coach, etc., 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 like that. We can begin the profile in different ways. Have we used linkers or connectives in the profile? Yes, children. Did you notice the words which are underlined? The words which are underlined are used to link the sentences. Yes. Are all the hints included in the profile? Yes. Everything is here. Then, what about the ending? Ramakant Ajrekar died on 2nd January 2019. You can also write, he passed away, he left the world, etc. Okay, how can we conclude? A profile must have the following things. What are they? Title, suitable beginning and ending, appropriate use of linkers, or we can call it as connectives, then apt and stylish language. Okay. If your profile does not follow that features, don't worry. Refine and then send it to your teacher. Okay? Yes. In the previous class, we discussed how Sachin began his career as a cricketer and how Achrekar sir selected him to the training camp. Let me check whether you have read the text or not. Here are the questions. Just recall what we discussed. Who identified the cricketer in Sachin? Okay, I think you know the answer. Next one. Why did Ajit take Sachin to the summer camp? Yes. Next question. Can you name the school which gave due importance to the game of cricket? Yes. Both Achrekar sir and Sachin had a similarity. What was the similarity? Did Sachin get the opportunity to be trained under Achrekar sir? ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചതാണ്. സച്ചിനിലെ ക്രിക്കറ്റർ ആരാണ് കണ്ടെത്തിയത്? സച്ചിനെ അജിത് സമ്മർ ക്യാമ്പിലേക്ക് എന്തിനാണ് കൊണ്ടുപോയത്? സച്ചിൻ പഠിച്ച സ്കൂള്, അച്രേക്കർ സാറ് കോച്ചായിട്ടുള്ള സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പേര്, സച്ചിനെ അച്രേക്കർ സാർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് സമ്മതിച്ചത്, എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് സമ്മതിച്ചത്, ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ we discussed in the last class. I am so happy that all of you have gone through the text. So, Sachin was happy to get trained under Ramakant Achrekar sir. He was so thrilled, right? Yes. And now, what do you think about the training session? Would it be a hard nut to crack? What's mean is hard nut to crack? എളുപ്പമായിരിക്കുമോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അല്ലേ. ട്രെയിനിങ് എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. So, any idea? Let's read and find out. Okay? Yes. Now children, it's your turn to read. Just read the text. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well, apart from my pockets. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started
taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ajrekar Sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety wall. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results.
Okay, don't forget to identify the difficult words. You may refer to the dictionary or the glossary which is given at the end of the text. You can scan the QR code too. Okay, I think you have gone through the paragraphs. Am I right? Are you ready? Please take the notebook, pen or pencil and be ready. Let me check whether you have understood it or not. My first question. Can you write down the routine of Sachin during the first summer session at Shivaji Park? The time is given in the paragraph. Can you? The morning session. Yes. Starting time? Yeah, 7:30 a.m. End time? Yes, 10:30 a.m. That's a morning session. Good. How long did he take to reach Shivaji Park? The time? Yes, he took 40 minutes to reach Shivaji Park from his home. A long journey. Yeah. And we could understand that it was a tedious journey. What's mean tedious? Difficult. വളരെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുള്ള യാത്രയായിരുന്നു. 40 minutes. Okay. Shall I ask you one question? How far is your school from your house? Hope you have guessed it. Okay? It's different for all. Some near, some far. Okay. Next. Why did Ajit accompany Sachin for the first few days? For what? It was to get Sachin used to the routine. Who accompanied you on the first day to your school? Can you remember? Do you remember that? Yes, might be your father, mother, brother or sister. Am I right? Okay. Let me ask the next question. What did Ajit talk to Sachin during the bus journeys? I repeat. What did Ajit talk to Sachin during the bus journeys? Yes, you're right. I think you wrote it. Yeah. Ajit talked to Sachin about the nuances of batting. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം എന്താ ഈ ന്യൂവൻസസ് ഓഫ് ബാറ്റിംഗ്? നമ്മൾ മലയാളം പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ സൂക്ഷ്മതലങ്ങൾ, വളരെ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ വരെ അജിത്ത് സച്ചിന് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ യാത്രയിലുടനീളം. Okay, next question. Look at the sentence. The system worked well apart from my pockets. What is the system referred to here by Sachin? Can you? Yes. Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. ഒരു ജോഡി അല്ലേ? Because of this, he had to wash the clothes and use it immediately in the evening. Therefore, the pockets remained wet. Next question. Why was Sachin asked to change his school? He was studying in New English School, Mumbai. The New English School in Bandra did not have cricket facilities, and Ajrekar sir told Sachin to change the school if he wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Am I right? Okay, shall I repeat? The New English School in Bandra did not have cricket facilities, and Ajrekar sir told Sachin to change the school if he wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Yes, good. Next question. What was the condition laid down by Sachin's father for changing the school? What was the condition? Yes, you're right. If Sachin was really serious about playing cricket, he should change the school. നമ്മളോടത്തും രക്ഷാകർത്താക്കൾ നമ്മളോട് പറയാറുണ്ടല്ലേ, ഇങ്ങനൊരു കണ്ടീഷൻ വയ്ക്കും, ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്നുള്ള. അതേപോലെ Sachin's father told him, if Sachin was really serious about playing cricket, he should change the school. Okay? So, let's recap. What are the things that we discussed from the beginning? Shall we? Ready? Okay. You just write it in your notebook. Okay? 1. Sachin loved cricket from his early age. Yes? Yes. He emulated the mannerisms of his favorite cricket players. Ramakant Ajrekar was the cricket coach at Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. Okay. Ajit, his brother, took him to the training camp run by Ramakant Ajrekar. At first, he couldn't impress, but later he was admitted to the training camp. His routine at the training camp was hectic. He had only one set of cricket clothes, and he tried to manage with it. His father agreed to change the school if he was really serious about playing cricket. ഇപ്പം മനസ്സിലായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഒന്നും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കിയാലോ? എന്താ? സച്ചിൻ വളരെ കുട്ടിക്കാലത്ത് തന്നെ ക്രിക്കറ്റിനെ സ്നേഹിച്ചിരുന്നു. എന്നിട്ട് എന്താ? സച്ചിന് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട കളിക്കാരുടെ ചേഷ്ടകൾ, മാനറിസംസ് അനുകരിക്കാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതെ, രമാകാന്ത് അജ്രേക്കർ സാർ ഏത് സ്കൂളിലെ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കോച്ചായിരുന്നു എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു. ആരാണ് സച്ചിനെ ക്യാമ്പിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോയത് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു. ആദ്യം സച്ചിന് അജ്രേക്കർ സാറിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല, പിന്നെ പറ്റി. അങ്ങനെ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ അജ്രേക്കർ സാർ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ക്യാമ്പിലേക്ക് എടുത്തു. ആ ക്യാമ്പിലെ ട്രെയിനിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചർച്ച ചെയ്തത്. വളരെ ഹെക്റ്റിക്കായിട്ടുള്ള, വളരെ പാടായിട്ടുള്ള സ്കെഡ്യൂളാണ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? സ്കൂള് മാറണം, ക്രിക്കറ്റ് സീരിയസ് ആയി എടുത്താൽ. ആര് പറഞ്ഞു? സച്ചിൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ. ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇത്രയും സമയം ഈ 2 ക്ലാസ് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ കേട്ട ചർച്ച ചെയ്ത വിഷയങ്ങൾ. ഓക്കെ, ഐ ഹോപ്പ് ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ഹാവ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് ഇറ്റ്. Now let's have a close look at the sentence. See the sentence. Sachin's father said, I should do so only if I was really serious about cricket. Let's look at the sentence once again. If Sachin was really serious about cricket, he should change the school. Okay. ഇതുപോലെയല്ലേ നമ്മുടെ തരുണിൻ്റെ പാഠത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത്? In the story The Race, Ram Narayan says, if you win the race, I will train you. Both sentences put forward conditions. Am I right? Yes. If Sachin was serious about cricket, he should change the school. Like that, Ram Narayan said, if you participate and win the race, I promise I will start training you. Then, let's learn more about if clauses. Here, have a look at this presentation.
Was very confident about himself before the race. And yes, it was Ram Narayan who built up that confidence in him. He said in his mind,
If I practice well, I will win.
and yes, he practiced well and got ready for the race. This is an example of conditional sentence. Conditional sentences have two parts: the conditional clause, or you can call it if clause, and also the main clause. There are three types of conditional sentences. Type 1.
If I practice well, I will win.
This is an example of type 1 conditional sentence. In type 1, the condition in the if clause is quite probable but not certain. The verb in the if clause is in the present tense, and in the main clause, the verb is preceded by a modal auxiliary will, shall, can, may, etc. Another example for you.
If Sachin joins Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, he can concentrate more on cricket.
Unfortunately, the day of the race turned out to be unlucky for him. Do you know, he fell thrice on the track. He thought in his mind,
If I did not fall, I would win.
now this is an example of conditional sentence type 2. Such sentences indicate improbability. The condition in the if clause is not fulfilled, and the verb is in the past tense. Yes, with a true sportsman spirit, he decided to get up and complete the race. He finished the race, of course. And yes, he was cheered by the audience for his determination. Do you know what he told his mother after the race?
If I had not fallen, I would have won.
Congrats, Tarun. That shows your determination. You are a true hero. This is an example of type 3 conditional sentence. It shows an impossible condition, a past condition which was never realized.
If I had not fallen, I would have won.
The sentence explains that Tarun fell on the track and so he could not win the race. The verb in the if clause is in the past perfect tense.
I hope you have understood the different types of conditional clauses. Please do the activity 4 given on page number 36 and send the answers to your teacher. If you have any doubt, interact with your teachers and friends. Okay. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.